In this video I'm going to show you how to add Apple TV remote to the control center. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Settings application and there get into Control Center. Now here will be the list of features that you can add to your control center. Features with the red minus sign has already added, and features with green plus sign you can add just by tapping on that icon. And now here I can find Apple TV remote and I can just hit add plus sign to add this feature to included controls. Now I can go out of here and by swiping from the top right corner I can open up the control center, and now here at that position I got Apple TV remote, and now I can tap on it and control my TV with that application as I normally would. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.